Building Codes and NFPA 72 versus National Electrical Code. The National Fire Protection Association, NFPA, develops and publishes codes and standards for fire safety, including NFPA 72, the National Fire Alarm Code. The National Electrical Code, published by the NFPA, covers the installation and maintenance of electrical wiring and equipment. Building codes are typically adopted by local jurisdictions and specify requirements for the design and construction of buildings, including fire safety systems. Regarding smoke detector placement, according to NFPA 72, the National Fire Alarm Code, ceiling-mounted smoke detectors must be no closer than 4 inches from walls. Wall-mounted smoke detectors must be within 12 inches of the ceiling, but no closer than 4 inches. National Electrical Code Article 760 only covers the wiring and installation of smoke detectors and refers to NFPA 72 for requirements related to the placement and spacing of smoke detectors. The placement of ceiling-mounted smoke detectors in a hallway at 5 inches from the wall is compliant. The claim that they must be 12 inches from the wall is incorrect based on NFPA 72. The placement of the wall-mounted smoke detector in the living room within 18 inches of the ceiling is also compliant with NFPA 72. It is important to know that some localities base their built-in codes on the NFPA 72, National Fire Alarm Code, while others base them on the National Electrical Code. To confirm the specific requirements for a locality, it is recommended to consult the local building authority.